Here are some rules and definitions to help you learn to read. Here you will find an explanation of the terms or markings that were part of this lesson. However, there are some tips you should know for all the rules and definitions lessons. First, we will sometimes use the word symbol instead of letter. They mean the same thing. Do not be confused. It's helpful to know both. Second, we use case to distinguish between letter names and letter sounds. Uppercase letters are used when discussing the name or shape of a letter. Lowercase letters are used when discussing the sound of a letter. For example, the sound of the letter A is A. This will be important to remember as you work through the lessons. Let's begin. Vowel rule number 1 for short vowels. We abbreviate it CVC. A vowel between two consonants usually makes a short vowel sound. Here are some examples from this lesson. Bad, cab, dad. Phonics teaches the connections between our 26 letters, also called symbols, and the 44 sounds of speech they represent. Phonetic, able to be decoded based on phonics rules. Sight word, a word that does not follow phonics rules and must be memorized rather than decoded. Often a small, common word. It is also sometimes borrowed from another language. Reading, decoding written words into their sounds to get information and meaning. Decoding, mentally translating a written symbol or letter into its sound, used in reading. Encoding is mentally translating a sound into a symbol, and it's used in writing. Elision, sliding or eliding the sound of one letter into the sound of the next and the next to the end of the word. The phonics rules are important to your progress in reading. Pay special attention to them. The definitions are helpful, but they are not as important as long as you understand what you're doing. When you feel you understand the phonics rules, move on.